Account and website template with Divi. Discover two distinct options: a premium template designed for those who seek an edge, and a reliable free choice, both tailored to enhance your online presence. Let's explore what each has to offer. Before we start, if you haven't installed the Divi theme yet and need guidance, click on the link in the description below for a complete walkthrough. First, from the Divi Marketplace, we have account and website template priced at $9.99, perfect for those ready to invest in quality. Let's delve into the live demo to uncover its features. First, the Hero section catches your eye with a bold headline and a striking image. It's designed to instantly engage visitors, inviting them to explore your site further. Next, the About Us section, thoughtfully designed to provide businesses with ample space to narrate their story and build trust with potential clients. Transitioning smoothly, the Our Services section brilliantly outlines the variety of services in an organized manner, ensuring clarity and easy navigation for users. The Pricing section dazzles with interactive cards, user experience, and serve to engage potential clients. The Our Team section showcases members with professionalism, creating a personal connection to your practice for browsers and clients alike. Concluding with the robust footer, inclusive of a detailed menu, essential contact details, and dynamic social media links, ensuring users can seamlessly connect with you. Now let's explore our complimentary option available directly from the Divi template library when the Divi theme is installed. Kick things off with a captivating Hero section, ensuring visitors feel welcomed and informed right from the get-go, followed by a concise What We Do section, providing an informative snapshot of services at a glance. Continue into an inviting About Us section, designed to foster deeper engagement and establish strong connections. The Account Resources and Articles section, a valuable addition for sharing insights, tips, and expertise with your audience. Finally, wrap things up in style with the comprehensive footer, featuring a user-friendly Contact Us form, precise contact details, and a functional Google map to guide visitors to your doorstep. If you're interested in learning how to create and edit this free website template with Divi, check the link in the description. It guides you through creating a modern website with Divi and WordPress. And that's it.